Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing of the Bombay Cedar subscription box. This is a lifestyle subscription and it includes products that are both vegan and cruelty free. So let's go ahead and take a look at what's inside. Up top here on the box it says, "Hello, welcome to a luxury subscription experience that offers the opportunity for discovery and change, a sense of exploration mixed with the yearning to learn more, a beautiful story coupled with inspiration, high quality products carefully curated with a touch of love and joy." Also get a little product card. This is the August 2018 box and the theme is Renew. It's their 1-year birthday. So cool. So they decided the theme would be Renew. And it does list the products. So I'm going to show that again at the end. We're gonna dig in here. It's so nicely packaged. Ooh, I see food. Let's see what this says. Rule breaker, gluten-free, plant-based birthday cake. Made in a dedicated gluten-free, allergy-free bakery. Look at that, looks good. Tons of sprinkles. Cool. A better for you treat. With fiber, it's nut-free. Super excited for that. I love when snacks and treats are inside subscription boxes. We also have a Mani ER. Let's go ahead and open that. This is a little zipper pouch, and inside we have nail files, nail clippers, little scissors. I think I'm going to keep that in my office at work because there's so many times I crack a nail or snag it and I need to cut it and I'm not able to, so that's cool. Also have Creatures of the Night gift box. There's all sorts of tea in here. That's awesome. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. So it comes in this little super cute box. There is a pamphlet inside and a bunch of tea. How fun is that? And they are all sealed for freshness. Looks like there's 3 of each. I love this box too. I'm definitely gonna repurpose that. And then the little pamphlet talks about the tea. I also saw something, this tea face. I've received that in one of my subscription boxes in the past. So I have heard of this company. It's pretty cool. Got that item. Okay, next we have, this is really heavy. This is a tonic cleanser for normal to oily skin, dragon's blood and lavender. I bet that smells amazing. I really love the smell of lavender. It's a nice bottle. I'll go ahead and see what this smells like. Cool little pump. I could smell it already. Definitely smells like lavender, which is a lovely scent. It's a gentle foaming facial cleanser. And a very nice size bottle too. And it's glass. Next up, it looks like a little necklace. Looks like an essential oil one. Those are really cool. Chakra Love. It's on a black little rope. It's nice and long. And yep, this is porous, so you can put essential oils on it. Love that. I have one of these actually in my car. Kind of use it as like an air freshener. And put more on it every few days or so. Very pretty. Then from Zahara Rose, we have Sublime Replenishing Milk. This is also a pretty big item. Looks like a full-size product. Also in a really nice glass bottle. Cool. Let's see what this smells like. This is what it looks like. It's a light formula. Smells good, and I'm not sure how much of it I'm smelling from the other stuff I had on my hand. I was trying to see what the ingredients are. It says there's citrus, there's geranium oil, cedarwood, all sorts of good stuff in there. So yeah, nice scent. We have a little container. I think these are some essential oils. That's what it feels like at least. Put it in a cute little bag branded with their name. This one is clove leaf and blood orange. Cool. So they're nice little sizes, and that goes perfect with the necklace that we got. So I love that. And I believe this is the last item in the box. It's a book called The Next Big Thing. Has a cool feel to it. Oh, it looks like it's a little doodle book perhaps, and there's sayings on it, quotes. That's cool. Yeah, I like that. That's neat. So we have that. So here's the little book once again. Now that we've seen the products, I'll give you a close-up view of that. We have the essential oils, and it does give a little description and the amounts, the retail values of that. So we have essential oils, our little snack, our tea, our little manicure pedicure kit, Tonic Cleanser, the book, the Firming Body Milk, and our diffuser necklace. Cool. Also has that featured brand, gives some information about them. Another featured brand, and 5 ways to renew your spirit. So I love this. This is a really cool subscription box. Love the essential oils, love the wellness and lifestyle items. Those are honestly my favorite kinds of subscription boxes. So if you guys are interested, I'll put a link below, and I will also put that promo code that'll save you some money. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.